Hi there, I will show you a few common issues that waste a lot of ad budget and how I help businesses fix them. Number 1, wasted is spent on irrelevant clicks. Many businesses spend 30 to 40% of their budget on irrelevant searches like free repair, job near me, or DIY service. These clicks never become real customers. By blocking these, I can save you thousands of dollars and make sure you only get calls from people who actually need your service. And number 3, wrong location targeting. Imagine you are a plumber in Dallas, but your ads are showing in Houston. That's wasted money because those clicks will never convert. With correct targeting, your ads only appear where you actually provide service. And number 3, no conversion tracking. Without it, you don't know which keywords are bringing calls or leads. It's like driving a car without a dashboard. You are flying blind. I can set up with Google Tag Manager so you know actually where your customers are coming from. And number 4, competitor outranking. When I search for services like yours, I often see competitors showing on top while many businesses are missing out. This means they are taking clicks and customers that could have been yours. With the right setup, I can make sure your ads show first. And number 5, no remarketing campaign. So remarketing campaign, around 70% of visitors don't convert on their first visit. Without remarketing, they are lost forever. Remarketing campaign can bring them back at a cost 3 times cheaper than regular ads. So in short, irrelevant clicks, wrong targeting, missing tracking, and no remarketing are costing you money, while competitors take the top spot. So I solved this exact problem. If you want, I can run a free mini audit for your businesses and set up a campaign that actually turns click into real customers.